Hello friends, welcome to Free Vocabulary Lessons. In this new series, we will learn one new word and phrase every day and try to enhance our vocabulary. We will understand the meaning of a word and phrase or an idiom, and with the help of an example, understand its usage. If you understand the meaning, then I would request you to create a sentence using the word or phrase and write in the comment section. I will shout out your name in the next video. So without a further go, let's get started. The word of the day for today is deprive. It is a verb. Its meaning is to prevent from having or using something. Let's understand its usage with a sentence. The city was deprived of its water supply. It means the city was prevented or not given the water supplies that it was given previously. Again I repeat, deprive means prevent from having or using something. Now let's understand the phrase of the day. The phrase of the day for today is make a splash. It is used to talk about a person or a thing or an event that makes a sudden major impact and attracts a great deal of attention or becomes very well known. For example, hydroxychloroquine as a medicine made a splash after Donald Trump's announcement to request it from India. Again, I repeat, make a splash is used when a person or a thing makes a great deal of attention. That's all in today's video. Like, comment, share and subscribe in case you found that your vocabulary has been enhanced. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.